Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now winters are here and one of the most used winter skincare product, at least for me, is a body lotion. I need a good body lotion at least twice a day during winters. My skin, especially on my arms and my legs, it gets really dry, and I like to indulge myself in a good body lotion at least twice a day. This time I've picked up two new body lotions, and these are both from Mamaearth. I'm talking about the Mamaearth Cocoa Body Lotion and the Mamaearth Upton Body Lotion. So if you are interested in both of these and if you want to know what they do and whether they worked for me or not, keep watching this video. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now let's get started. So the very first thing that I like about both of these body lotions is that they come in a pump packaging. It is a body lotion in a pump packaging is my preferred packaging for body lotions because it makes dispensing the product really easy. And in winter sometimes things can thicken up a little bit, so having a pump in the bottle makes things really easy. Now Mamaearth is an Indian brand. The products are made in India. They're made for Indian skin, so I trust the brand. Both the body lotions, they are mineral oil and silicone free, dermatologically tested, and for normal to dry skin. Now I'm first going to talk about the Cocoa Body Lotion. My favorite out of the two, not that I don't love the other one, but this one I really like because it has coffee and cocoa butter. I love all things coffee. I really love coffee, so this has coffee and cocoa butter and it smells amazing. And it is for intense moisturization. It is for those with dry skin. Like if you have really dry skin like I do, then this is the body lotion that you should be picking up. It has a rich formula and it intensely moisturizes the skin, and at the same time it is a non-greasy formula, so you can apply it all over your body and you do not have to stress about the product leaving a stain or an oily mark on your clothes. That's not gonna happen. And it has natural ingredients. Mamaearth products, they have natural ingredients, so I really like the brand. I love the brand and a lot of their products. It retails for 399 rupees for this 400 ml bottle, so roughly 400 rupees for 400 ml. And this one bottle is going to last you a long time, so I think it is totally worth it. Now let's talk about the main ingredients. Like I've already said, it has coffee and cocoa butter, and it also has shea butter and olive oil. Now what cocoa does is that it hydrates your skin, nourishes it, and improves your skin's elasticity. It makes your skin soft and supple. And the coffee reduces the appearance of cellulite and it helps with signs of inflammation that may be there on your skin. Cocoa butter is again a powerful antioxidant and it improves blood flow on the skin, and it helps reverse free radical damage on the skin that may happen because of various factors, and it also promotes the growth of new skin cells. Shea butter, like we all know, is the gold standard in skin moisturization. It is one of the most moisturizing ingredients available out there for your skin, and it really works wonders on dry and dehydrated skin. Olive oil, as we all know, has the goodness of vitamin E, and it again works on dry skin and improves the texture of your skin, makes your skin soft, and nourishes your skin. It protects your skin from within. So overall, these four main ingredients over here, coffee, cocoa butter, shea butter, and olive oil, together they are really good for those with very dry skin. I'm going to show you the texture of this one now. This is the texture of the coffee and cocoa butter body lotion from Mamaearth. I love it. It's like sitting in a coffee shop and getting a body spa done. I hope I'm able to explain it to you, but it smells amazing. I just love it, and it's a very wintry fragrance, so for this time of the year I think this is just the right kind of fragrance that we all want. Next, I'm going to talk about the Upton body lotion, and the purpose of an Upton is to brighten your skin and help remove any marks that you may have on the surface of the skin. So the Upton body lotion has turmeric and cocoa butter. Turmeric, as we all know, is good for brightening your skin. We use it in a lot of DIY skin recipes, and you can just apply turmeric directly also onto your skin. But why take all of that hassle, because we have turmeric in here in this Upton body lotion from Mamaearth. This also retails for the same price, $3.99 for this 400 ml bottle, which is going to last you a good number of weeks. And let's talk about the main ingredients now. Like I've mentioned, turmeric, which is good for skin brightening. It is an antioxidant. It fights free radical damage. It also fights any inflammation that may be there on the skin. So if you have small bumps, etc. on your skin, those are going to be taken care of. Then it has kokum butter, which is good for very dry skin. It is intensely moisturizing, so you can use it on a lot of very dry parts of your body, like on the knees, elbows, etc. Shea butter and olive oil are present in this body lotion also, and I've already spoken about them earlier. Intensely moisturizing shea butter and olive oil, like I've already said. This is the Upton body lotion. The texture is slightly lighter than the Cocoa body lotion, and it smells very light and fresh. The Upton body lotion, I like to use it during the day, and it's slightly lighter, so it works well for the daytime. But for nighttime, I like to go with the Cocoa body lotion because that's a little heavier, and it keeps my skin hydrated and moisturized throughout the night. So that is my skincare regime for my body for winters. The Upton body lotion for the day and the Cocoa body lotion for the night. Now, Mamaearth, like I've already mentioned, is an Indian brand. The products are all made in India. The products are all made with natural ingredients. They are chemical free, preservative free. Every time you shop from their website, they link your order to a tree that they plant, and they also send you the species of the plant and the exact geolocation of the plant. It is also a plastic positive brand. Products are available on their website, mamaearth.in. I'm going to leave the links in the description box down below for you to check them out. You can also use my coupon code that is mentioned here and get a 20% off when you shop from their website or from their app. They now have their own app also. You can also download their app, and users of the app get early access to deals and discounts. So you can click on the links in the description box down below, use my coupon code, and get a 20% off on every order. And the products are also available on major e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Nykaa, Purple.com. All of the links are going to be in the description box down below. So that was all from my side on the Mamaearth Cocoa body lotion and Upton body lotion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more. Check out more of my videos over here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.